So to replace your upper rack, the first thing you got to do is open the door of your dishwasher. You're going to need to remove the end clips from the rails. You'll do that just by pushing the finger in on the clip and sliding it up off the rail. And there'll be one on the other side as well. Just slide the rail outwards, and again, push the locking finger of the tab in, and then just push it upwards. And once it's up, then you can just pull the clip straight out. Set that to one side, and you can push your rails back in, and you can slide your rack right out of place.